How much money do you really need to retire? What if I told you that the amount of money you think you need for retirement might be completely wrong? Some people believe they need $1 million to retire comfortably. Others think they need $2 million, $3 million, or even more. But here's the truth. The right retirement number is different for everyone. And if you get this number wrong, you could face one of two painful situations. You retire too early and run out of money. You work for years longer than necessary because you think you don't have enough saved. So, how much money do you really need to retire? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate your retirement number, the biggest mistakes Americans make when planning for retirement, and the simple formula that financial advisors use to determine whether someone is truly ready to retire. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer idea of your own retirement target. Let's get started. Step 1. Forget the million-dollar myth. You probably heard people say, I need $1 million before I can retire. But where did that number come from? The truth is that $1 million may be too much for some people and not nearly enough for others. Your retirement needs depend on several factors: your lifestyle, where you live, your health, your expected lifespan, whether you still have debt, how much income you'll receive from Social Security or pensions. For example, someone living in rural Alabama may need far less money than someone retiring in California or New York. That's why there is no magic retirement number. Instead, there is a personal retirement number. Step 2. Determine your annual retirement expenses. The first question you should ask is, how much money will I spend every year during retirement? Many financial experts suggest that retirees need between 70 and 80% of their pre-retirement income, but this is only a general guideline. A better approach is to estimate your actual expenses. Think about housing, mortgage or rent, property taxes, home maintenance, healthcare, insurance premiums, prescription medications, doctor visits, daily living, food, utilities, transportation, entertainment, travel and hobbies. Many people spend more during the first few years of retirement because they finally have time to travel and enjoy life. Let's use an example. Suppose you estimate that you'll need $60,000 per year to live comfortably. That annual spending number becomes the foundation of your retirement plan. Step 3. The 4% rule. This is one of the most popular retirement formulas used by financial planners. It's called the 4% rule. The idea is simple. You can withdraw about 4% of your retirement savings each year and have a reasonable chance of your money lasting for 30 years. Here's the formula. Annual expenses divided by 4% equals retirement savings goal. Let's use our example. If you need $60,000 annually, 60,000 divided by 0.04 equals $1,500,000. That means you would need approximately $1.5 million invested to generate $60,000 per year. But wait, there's more. Most Americans won't need to withdraw the entire amount from their savings because they'll also receive Social Security benefits. Step 4. Don't forget Social Security. For millions of Americans, Social Security will be a major source of retirement income. Suppose your Social Security benefit is $25,000 per year and your annual expenses are $60,000. You only need your investments to provide the remaining $35,000. Using the 4% rule, 35,000 divided by 0.04 equals $875,000. That's a huge difference. Instead of needing $1.5 million, you may only need around $875,000. This is why understanding all your income sources is extremely important. Step 5. How long will you live? This is one of the biggest retirement planning challenges. Nobody knows exactly how long they will live. Many people underestimate their lifespan. A healthy 65-year-old today could easily live into their 80s or 90s. That's potentially 30 years of retirement. Think about that. You could spend nearly 1/3 of your life retired. That means your money has to last for decades. This is why many financial advisors recommend planning for a longer retirement than you expect. It's better to have extra money than to run out of money in your 80s. Step 6. The hidden retirement expense most people ignore. Healthcare. Many retirees underestimate how much healthcare will cost. As we age, medical expenses tend to rise. Even with Medicare, you'll still have premiums, deductibles, prescription costs, long-term care expenses. Healthcare can become one of your largest retirement expenses. This is why you should include a healthy margin in your retirement calculations. Underestimating healthcare costs is one of the biggest reasons retirees experience financial stress. Step 7. Inflation is the silent wealth killer. Imagine you retire today and need $60,000 per year. 20 years from now, that same lifestyle could cost significantly more because of inflation. Inflation quietly reduces the purchasing power of your money. Things like groceries, healthcare, insurance, housing, all become more expensive over time. That's why keeping all your money in a savings account may not be enough. Many retirees continue investing a portion of their savings to help their money keep pace with inflation. Remember, retirement is not just about having enough money today. It's about having enough money for the rest of your life. Step 8. Your retirement lifestyle matters. Ask yourself this question. What kind of retirement do I want? Do you want to travel the world, buy an RV, help your children financially, move to another state, spend more time on hobbies? Your lifestyle choices directly affect your retirement number. Someone who wants a simple, quiet retirement may need much less than someone who dreams of extensive travel and luxury living. Retirement planning is not just about numbers. It's about designing the life you want. Step 9. The biggest retirement mistakes Americans make. Mistake number 1. Waiting too long to start saving. Time is your greatest financial ally because of compound growth. Mistake number 2. Depending entirely on Social Security. Social Security was designed to supplement retirement income, not replace it completely. Mistake number 3. Ignoring inflation. Mistake number 4. Underestimating healthcare costs. Mistake number 5. Retiring with too much debt. Entering retirement with high credit card balances, personal loans, or large monthly payments can put tremendous pressure on your finances. The less debt you have, the less money you'll need in retirement. Final thoughts. Retirement isn't about becoming incredibly wealthy. It's about achieving financial freedom. It's about waking up every morning knowing that your bills are paid, your future is secure, and you have the freedom to spend your time doing what you love. The best time to start planning for retirement was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Even small steps can make a huge difference over time. Review your finances. Increase your savings. Reduce your debt. Invest consistently. And most importantly, know your number. Because once you know your retirement number, you can create a realistic plan to reach it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Money Solutions, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on saving money, investing, retirement planning, insurance, and personal finance. And here's today's question. How much money do you think you need to retire comfortably? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and remember, smart financial decisions today can create financial freedom tomorrow.